Hello guys, today is Sean Calvi here. So today I'm going to show you how you can use Simvoly to add products. Yesterday or other video I promised that I will show you how to add products to your store. Check my other video that how you can use store widget to a blank page. It's a great tip too if you want to build a page. So today's video I'm going to show you how to add a store like products. So you, as soon as you log in to the builder, you end up your main page like this, and you go to store, right here, store, and there you will see your orders, tracking, subscription, upsell, downsell, top performance. You can sort them by days, overtime, custom, or whole store, like other departments like that. And there's I will go through every kind of tips on tricks on these everything in future videos one by one, so that way you guys can learn. Today's topic is just to add products, right? So you go to store and go to products. There, these are my sample and fast products I add. All you have to do is go here, add products, simple. um, Make sure it's a physical product or digital product or service or membership. I also go each one of those in the future. Today I take as a physical product. So in physical product you can name the product and add description, or you can even use this is a simple editor, just add a description and the product. And also you can, if you want a little bit fancy, add more call to action, stuff like that. You click this on drag and drop editor, so you can add widgets. So from widgets you can add headlines, text, buttons, like different call to actions, a progress bar, stuff like that. According, like you can ask like FAQ section, like that's the use for accordion. And you can add forms, you can ask them to subscribe for newsletters, stuff like that. If you have like membership, you can add this widget. You even can add quiz or survey. These are all great widgets. They are not plugins, they are inbuilt. So it's not like WordPress or like those plugins that make you vulnerable your site, like safety, not safe, no slow down, not like that. This is inbuilt really fast. So add products, you enter a name, mm, as a sample product, and you add a description, whatever description you like. And you can even use and see this AI. mm, you can use the AI to improve. Let's say sample product, that's the name. So I make sure AI to improve, it's automatically improve the example of products. That's what it's improved. Let's say generate text or expand, it will expand. See, and make sure you read that again and change the paragraphs, stuff like that. So and then you have to add images. Let's take from your old images, or you can get image directory, and they use unsplash and add any image you want. um, that's it, done. Also make sure you add categories. See, like my old categories: beauty and health, buy and sell, sports, digital. You can add category like electronic, automatically it's grab the category URL and submit and confirm. This automatically get from your product title the URL. You can change there too manually, and make sure you add a price. If it's on sale, this one puts on sale, and then save price. You can low price, and it show on sale on your store widget or your store. If this is a subscription, you have to add how many terms, like how many months or weeks, every month, ongoing payments, or three payments or 4 payments, like installments, like that. So submit. So if it is subscription product, so it's not a subscription product in this code. SKU, store keeping unit. If you have lots of stock, make sure you add a stock limit. And weight, you have to, if it's a physical product, always put a weight, because it's going with the shipping and handling. Type of product is already here. Also, as we start to add product, we can choose there too. We already choose as a physical product. If you change mine, you can change here too. You can track inventory. Just toggle this one. You can track inventory. If you have variations like in that product, then you can add variation. It's another video that I will do. Always follow all my videos, so then you can understand. If you have this, say a small thank you message once they purchase, but if you like to add a custom thank you page that I built before, you guys can add those thank you page too. They are like a thank you page that custom build. That's what I meant. So can remember that page, but this one, thank purchase. This is the page they see, and once they purchase. Additional questions, like you can add some if you want, like return policy, or add all the questions they might ask and answer them. And you can tag customers, like that way you can stay organized. Add a new tag. I put like ecom, submit. So that's a ecom product. So that's because it's a physical product, so I add ecom. So always make sure it's not automatically change, and if you refresh, or if you like power out, always make sure you save it, and that way you don't lose your stuff. I will show you that what is that thank you page I built. This one, see, I made a, you can hide this part if you want. It's just a thank you page. It's like a shipping truck coming, it's on its way, thank you purchase, stuff like that. You can add refund policy here if you like, to just to make sure if they don't see that FAQ at the bottom, so they know your return policy. You can highlight this return policy like this, color change, all customizable. Simple build up, like $12 per month for yearly, like nothing. It's nothing. You can get this better website builder, and I build for you for free when you work with me. So grab your links from my channel and let me know. Thank you.